today recapitulation of the chapter 6 Magnetism. Natural magnets. Natural magnets are those which are found in nature, for example, lodestone. Artificial magnets. Man-made magnets are called artificial magnets, for example, electromagnet. Magnet has two poles, North Pole, South Pole. Uses of magnets. First point, magnetic elements present on a hard disk helps to represent computer data which is later read by the computer to extract information. Second point, magnets are used inside TVs, sound speakers and radios. Third, magnets are used inside a generator to transform mechanical energy to electrical energy. Fourth, magnets are used in MRI machines. Fifth, magnets can help collect the nails which are scattered on the ground. Shape of magnets: bar magnet, a horseshoe magnet, and magnetic compass. Magnetic substances. Magnetic substances are those which are attracted by magnets. Examples are given. Non-magnetic substances. Non-magnetic substances are those which are not attracted by magnets. Some characteristics of magnet are: two magnets interact each other by magnetic force. Second, magnets have memory used in magnetic strip of credit cards. Third, magnetic power creates magnetic fields which can be used for many things and used in magnetic therapy. Fourth, poles of magnet cannot be separated. Properties of magnets. All magnets have two poles, North Pole and South Pole. Second, the magnetic strength is the strongest at the poles of the magnets. Third, the force of attraction of a magnet is greater at its poles than in the middle. Fourth, like poles repel and unlike poles attract. Magnetic field around magnet. The magnetic field is a space where there is an influence of a magnet. There are different types of magnets: bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, and a needle compass. All types of magnets have two poles, North Pole, which is indicated by capital N, and South Pole magnet, which is indicated by S. Every magnet has a field around it. The area where the power of magnet exists is known as magnetic field. The magnetic field can be illustrated by magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines are imaginary lines around the magnet. Earth's magnetic field. In Earth's magnetic field, North magnetic pole corresponds to South geographical pole and the South magnetic pole corresponding to North geographic poles. Permanent magnet. Permanent magnet is one which retains its magnetic field even after external source producing it is removed. And temporary magnets. Temporary magnets are materials that behave as magnets only when an external magnetic field is present. Electromagnet. A simple electromagnet consists of a coil of insulated wire wrapped around an iron core. Working principle of electromagnets. Electromagnets works on the principle of the magnetic effect of electric current. It is formed when a strong magnetic field is produced inside a solenoid to magnetize a piece of magnetic material like soft iron. For example, an iron nail made into a magnet by passing electric current through a coil surrounding it. Electromagnets are used in all kinds of electric devices, speakers, motors, and generators. Demagnetization of a magnet. Heating the magnet, hammering, expose the magnet to alternating current are different methods to demagnetization of a magnet. Short answer type questions. Question number 1. Name different types magnets. Answer: permanent magnets. Second, temporary magnets. Third, electromagnets. Question number 2. What are magnetic materials? Answer: the materials which are attracted by a magnet are called magnetic materials. Question number 3. Write one application use of magnet in the medical field. Answer: magnetic power creates magnetic fields which can be used for many things and used in magnetic therapy. Question number 4. Why magnetic strip is used in credit card? Answer: magnetic strip is used in credit card because they have memory. The magnetic strip card holds the sensitive information. Question number 5. What are magnetic field lines? The space around the magnet where magnetic forces work is called magnetic field. And magnetic field lines are imaginary lines around the magnet. Long answer type questions. Question number 1. Differences between magnetic and non-magnetic substances with suitable examples. Magnetic substances. Magnetic substances are those which are attracted by magnets. For example, cobalt coin, steel spoon, iron nail. Non-magnetic substances. Non-magnetic substances are those which are not attracted by magnets. For example, paper, glass, plastic, rubber, etc. 2. Write different properties of magnets. First, all magnets have two poles, north pole and south pole. Second, the magnetic strength is the strongest at the poles of the magnets. Third, the force of attraction of a magnet is greater at its poles than in the middle. Fourth, like poles repel and unlike poles attract. Question number 3. Explain with diagram the magnetic field around a magnet with magnetic field lines. We have already explained in the previous video classes. Question number 4. Write differences between permanent and temporary magnets. Answer: in permanent magnet have the magnetic properties even if the external field is zero. In temporary magnets have magnetic properties only in the presence of an external magnetic field. Second, in permanent magnet, they are usually made of hard materials. In temporary magnets, they are usually made of soft materials. Third, in permanent magnets, it produces comparatively weak magnetic force. In temporary magnet, it can produce very strong magnetic force. Question number 5. Give in detail the different methods of demagnetization of a magnet. The different methods to demagnetization of a magnet are heating the magnet, hammering, and expose the magnet to alternating current. Thank you.